So today, me and my friends had plans to go to Lake Hoya to see the volcano and an abandoned park from the last time it erupted. But some problems came up, so it's not exactly possible anymore. If you look around, this is the train station. There's a lot of people waiting outside of the ticket gates because the trains aren't really running today. They're like, some problem happened, I'm not sure exactly what, but the trains got messed up. There's new screws everywhere, so getting around by train isn't exactly possible today. Our backup plan is a park that we can get to by bus. And more of the mess caused by these train delays. Look at all of this. And there's a news crew right over there. As you can see, the camera is kind of blurry. But do you see all of this crowd just waiting for trains? They haven't told us exactly what happened, but it'll be on the news, so probably look it up. There's English newspapers about Japan. I'll try to find it later.